What up, guys? Me, Patrick LeVar, back with another video. And again, I'm in the ugly park. If you guys saw this video, you know what I'm talking about. But it's just me, a bunch of greedy pigeons. You can never give them enough. And originally I wanted to film like way back over there, but unfortunately there's like a gazillion kids and they're gonna get in the way. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity. I get a lot of comments. People are like, hey, you live in Japan, you got lots of cool, interesting things to film. And I'm like, yeah, that's true. But everywhere in the world, you have something interesting, as far as I'm concerned, you can film. So what I'm going to do here is I've got my grip gear dolly. I've got this whole WG2 Xenu Tech body gimbal with the Remuse. And this is my area, guys. This little quad here and the pigeons I'm going to use to film. I'm going to stay within this area right here. And then there's my bike and the gazillion kids running around throughout this park. So, of course, up there is very more interesting. There's lots of cool Japanese-ish type stuff. But this will be a perfect example to show you guys, you know, find something interesting out of this. So, enough of my jibber jabber. It's time for a montage. I'll be using, what are we going to use? We're going to use Filmic Pro. I'm going to use my cell phone. I am using my microphone right now to talk. I'm using the Komika wireless mic system because my microphone is broken. And what else do I have? Oh, I have the knockoff telelens. The telelens. I might, you know, we'll try to use that too. And I think that's all I have. And I'm using my $10 gimbal with my $10 gimbal. I'm using my $10 handle with the Joby tripod. So enough of my jibber jabber. Let's make something epic, montagey like. Patrick LeVar, keep filming. Let's get it. What up, guys? Alrighty, I gotta cut it short. The rain is getting a little bit worse than I thought it was gonna get, and I'm still at least about a 30-minute bike ride away from home, and it's been consistent for the last 10 minutes, so I'm gonna have to call it quits here. But basically, just filming only in this area here. This is the only area that I filmed in. I used the gear grip on the dolly. Got a lot, thunder. I gotta definitely get out of here. We used that, and then I also used the telescopic, the 6x telezoom. Oh, I don't know if that was thunder or if that was just a big eruption, but definitely back to. I used that and just trying to get stuff around here, guys. Nothing super epic. But you know, I'm out here. The whole point of this video is I'm out here. I'm using my equipment, getting to know my equipment, finding out what I can do, what I can't do with it. You gotta get out and film, guys. That's just the biggest thing. Lots of people get, oh man, I make videos, they don't look like yours, you know. And then, you know, I ask them, well, how often do you film? Oh, you know, when I have a free chance, that's great. But guys, I've been almost doing this for almost 2 years now. Almost every day, you know, I always get out and film. If I'm not filming that day, I'm taking pictures, and if I'm not taking pictures, I'm filming something, even if it's just a couple of clips that I end up deleting by the end of the night, you know. And most of the stuff you guys don't see because I'm just testing, I'm filming, I'm just, you know, experiencing, learning. And the whole point of that, you got to get out there and you got to film and you got to practice if you want to get better. So, you know, take that as a grain of salt if you want. But like I say, keep filming. You gotta film, you gotta practice, you gotta get out there and do stuff. So enough of my jibber jabber. I wanted this to be a little bit longer. It is cloudy, a cloudy day, which is perfect for the cell phones. They get very good exposure because everything's kind of a diffuse light, which is fantastic. But it is starting to rain, and I don't want to get caught in the rain. I don't have any rain gear, don't have my umbrella or nothing. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. This is Patrick LeVar. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're not, and share the video to someone who might like it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. See ya.